Welcome to the advanced guide to Debank portfolio overview. Debank is a popular platform that allows users to track and manage their cryptocurrency portfolios. In this tutorial, we will explore the key features and tools that Debank offers to help you get the most out of your portfolio. First, let's start with the dashboard. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your portfolio, including the total value, profit and loss, and a breakdown of your assets. You can customize the dashboard to display the information that is most important to you. Next, let's look at the asset overview. This section provides detailed information about each asset in your portfolio, including the current price, balance, and value. You can also view the asset's price chart and transaction history. Another key feature of Debank is the portfolio tracking tool. This tool allows you to track your portfolio's performance over time, including the total value, profit and loss, and a breakdown of your assets. You can also set alerts and notifications to stay up to date with market movements. Debank also offers a range of analytical tools, including risk analysis and portfolio optimization. The risk analysis tool helps you identify potential risks in your portfolio, such as overexposure to a particular asset or sector. The portfolio optimization tool provides recommendations for optimizing your portfolio, including rebalancing and diversification. In addition to these tools, Debank also offers a range of integrations with other platforms and services, including exchanges, wallets, and other portfolio tracking tools. This allows you to connect all of your accounts and track your entire portfolio in one place. To get the most out of Debank, it's essential to set up your portfolio correctly. This includes adding all of your assets, connecting your accounts, and setting up alerts and notifications. It's also important to regularly review and update your portfolio to ensure that it remains aligned with your investment goals. Best practices for using Debank include regularly reviewing your portfolio, diversifying your assets, and staying up to date with market movements. It's also essential to use the analytical tools and risk analysis features to identify potential risks and optimize your portfolio. In conclusion, Debank is a powerful platform that offers a range of tools and features to help you track and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the platform's analytical tools and features, you can get the most out of your portfolio and achieve your investment goals.